So here's a follow-up to that 80/20 product that I bought, the little trim. I'm actually putting it in now, and if you look, let's see if we can get a good look at the, yeah, if you can see the profile of that, I don't know. Anyway, I'm putting it in, and what I'm trying to do is get this front lip, if you can see that, underneath the edge of the trim. And I'm actually just using a plastic kitchen knife, you know, picnic knife. I tried to use a spatula, that didn't really work. And then to cut the product, I'm just using a wire snipper. That works just fine. So let's take a look. Just tuck a piece in there. Takes a little work, but you can actually hear it sort of snap in once you know that you've passed sort of the perimeter of the plastic. You can feel it, or you'll hear a little click sometimes, is what I've found. And if I run my fingers back and forth, and I'm using a lot of pressure actually, and in some cases I feel like I've even tried to pull out the I've tried to pull the panel out a little bit to make sure that I'm actually getting behind it and have that lock. I don't know if this is going to come out on the highway or, you know, what's going to happen, but it's worth a try, as I said, to just keep water out of this area. This panel's really tight. And it's weird because you can see a gap, so it seems like it should go right in there, but it's not. Of course, when you want to make a video, then it's not going to work. Yeah, this one's so tight, I can't even get an edge in. Up front I can, where it's not as snug. And then usually if I can get a part started, the rest of it will go in. But of course this one isn't. Now it's going in. Yeah, that one went in nice. And the more that you work with this, what I found is it really stretches. So I'm going to cut this end off here. We'll tuck it back in. All right. Cut this other end off. So hopefully that will help water run down the van and off, another little extra seal. So there you have it.